Alright, let's check out what's going on with SafeMoon. So, from what I can tell in the news, it seems like the head of SafeMoon has stepped down. They've hired a new VC, so in my opinion, SafeMoon is really on its last legs. It is either going to start shooting up in the next couple of days or it's going to go to zero. I don't think there's any in between. I don't think we're going to trend sideways for a long time. If we take a fib from high to low, you can see, we didn't even make it up to the 236 here, and your last line in the sand is really this level down here. So I mean, technically I would have said your last line in the sand would probably be this level here, which also nicely lines up with the 236. We managed to have a bounce up, and we didn't even have enough strength to come back to the breakdown level. You can see this was the number one area that we really needed to hold. Despite us dumping, the money flow indicator is overextended, which really shows me that there's not much hope of momentum to the upside. Now, I could be wrong, and I will say, I will be happy to admit I'm wrong if we do start pumping, but at least in the meantime, I think this is really your last line in the sand. I mean, I can't make another video saying, oh, let's take a micro fib from here to here and talk about, this being your last line in the sand here at 8 something. The point is, this coin has been on a very steep downtrend for quite a while now. It does seem like people are forgetting about it. People are moving on. In the past month or so, we are down 60%. So it really seems like people have lost all hope and all trust in SafeMoon. We will need to see what happens with the new VC and if they're actually able to make something out of this project. But from what I can see, this project is basically built on Pumpermentals. It's built on Hopium. It provides absolutely nothing. Everything they talk about is all we'll create a wallet, or we'll create our own blockchain, blah blah blah. We'll create our own exchange. All of this in the future, but I can't think of a single reason why anyone in the entire world would want to keep their Bitcoin or keep other valuable cryptocurrencies on a SafeMoon based exchange. I mean, that just seems like I don't know. I think I'd rather do crack than give SafeMoon my Bitcoin to store. That is just my own personal opinion, and I'm not I'm not even joking, which is quite tapped. I'm being 100% serious. So all jokes aside, even if it's a serious joke, this is your last line in the sand. I would have said, like I said over here, this was your last line in the sand. SafeMoon really has to prove itself in the next coming days and weeks. I think if we do lose this level here at, what is that, 1/10%, then we would literally be falling off the table. I mean, the only next level that's even remotely talkable about a bounce is in the minuses. So in my opinion, this coin would be getting rugged somewhere near zero. It probably will have a mad bounce once it goes near zero. Most of the time, once all of the liquidity and all the price exits the market cap, there'll be a few people that manage to pump it. I mean, if this only goes to like $1,000 or something and someone puts 10,000 in, I'm sure it will have a massive rally at some point. I don't think it will reach that low of a market cap. I think there's always going to be people that think this is gonna be their retirement plan. Just buy 100 quid worth of SafeMoon and you'll be set for life. I just think that is wishful thinking. This is basically built on Pumpermentals, like I said, built on absolutely nothing. There's not much analysis I can do on this. There's this linear downtrend. Like I said, I wouldn't pay too much attention to the micro fib until we do break, or if we do break above the 1.5 level, which is right here on this red line, so be it. We can start talking about an uptrend, but we are kind of stuck between these two converging lines right here. I think the second we break below this 0.001, then we're basically going to fall off the table and go somewhere near zero. So that is all I see for SafeMoon. If you are holding it, best of luck to you. I'm not trying to fudge you out your bags. I don't hold it, so I'm just trying to provide what I see in the market. And from what I can see, the chart looks like absolute dog shit. It's fallen off the table. And yeah, I mean, this was really your last line in the sand here. We've come back tested it, and now we're falling off the table. So I will say it one more time, this is your last line in the sand. I'm not going to make more videos if we do break below this level. This is my like end all be all. If we break below here, I think we're done. So keep an eye on the 0.1% level. If we do hold it, so be it. We can talk about an uptrend in future videos. But yeah, this is really your last line in the sand. So once again, none of this is financial advice. This is just my opinion on the market, and you've always got to do what's best for you. Peace.